So we are doing a road trip on Iceland. In this video we're going to persuade you to go to Snaefellsnes Peninsula. It should definitely be a one-day stop on your itinerary. And in this video we show you why. Because the beauty will prove itself. Snaefellsnes Peninsula is what they call Iceland in small. It has so many great iconic places, beautiful nature, beautiful spots, lava fields, black sand beaches, waterfalls, cliffs. It has it all, and that's why it is so fun to drive around in one day, because you don't need more than one day. Have a few stops, do a few hikes, get a few waterfalls on your way, and you will love it. So we are here at Kirkuselfoss, one of the most photographed waterfalls in Iceland, because it has the famous Helgafell mountain in the back. And in the winter time they will take pictures here with the northern lights in the background and that mountain. Well, you'll have to Google those pictures, they are stunning. By the way, if you're planning a trip to Iceland, then definitely check out the rest of our channel. Subscribe right now, because we have a full itinerary for the full ring road. We have all the stops that we took, all the accommodations we stayed in. We have a food video as well on where to eat on the different locations in Iceland. So check out the rest of the channel. But let's get back to Snaefellsnes Peninsula first. So we are at Dritzfig Beach, and it's a black sand beach with all of these rusted remainders of boats that stranded here, which gives it a really eerie, spooky feeling. I'm gonna throw this back on the beach. And what it also has is what they call like Viking Stones or fisherman's stones. You have to lift to see how strong you are and if you are allowed on the boat, and if you would hold up as a fisherman back in the day here at Dritzfig. Okay, let's see if I'm a weakling. House carrier. This is the same that Tim had. Oi! Oi! Yeah, you did it! I'm so weak. I have no arm strength, upper arm strength anymore. But this is okay. At least Tim and I are in the same category. So we are both allowed on the boat. I'm not going to try this one. This is too big. I can move it around a little. I can stand on it. A must-do is to park your car at 𝙒𝙾𝙾𝙀 viewpoint, then walk down here to the cliffs and you can do a really nice hike in between the cliffs all the way to 𝙤𝙗𝙗𝙀, which is not that far. It's like half an hour, and you can do half an hour there and come back here and then have a cup of tea or coffee at this really cute cafe house here on the edge of the cliff. Unfortunately, that is closed today. The view is amazing here. The sea, all the seagulls having fun here. It is a really special spot to just have a stroll and enjoy. When you finished your hike from Helnar to 𝙤𝙗𝙗𝙀, then make sure you check out 𝙒𝙏𝙀, which is a big hole in a cliff where the water splashes. It actually translates into hole splash or splashing hole if you translate it into English. It's a really nice view here over the cliffs, and yeah, I like it. One of the last stops we have before leaving the peninsula is the 𝙒𝙊𝙾𝙀, the famous black church, and it looks really special against those white mountains, the spot it's in with all the cliffs here. I like this place. Thank you for checking out the Snaefellsnes Peninsula special video that we did. But let us know if you have been to Snaefellsnes. What were your favorite spots? Maybe we missed a few. Put them in the comment section down below so other people can find them as well. For now, check out our playlist on Iceland. Check out the other content that we made. We have our adventures per day. We have a vlog, but we also have the food video that I think you definitely should check out, and the itinerary that we did, because I think we found the perfect itinerary for 10 days, the full ring road trip. Signing off now. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of Snaefellsnes, and I'll see you again soon for more videos.